Your battles are invisible. Your storms are silent. You smile outside, but inside your world is collapsing like a sandcastle in the rain. Why life breaks you. Simple psychology. Here's the truth nobody teaches. Humans break when three things collapse. 1. Control. When life yanks the steering wheel from your hands. 2. Meaning. When what you cared for stops making sense. Hope. When the future looks like a blank, dark screen. But here's the twist. Your mind isn't breaking you. It's protecting you. Shutting systems down. Rebooting the engine. Preparing you for an upgrade. Sometimes the breakdown is the upgrade. Under confirmation. 5 phases of rising again. Phase 1. The fall. You hit the floor. Hard. Your inner voice goes quiet. Your energy disappears. Your motivation flatlines. Everyone else keeps moving. You feel stuck in slow motion. You feel left behind. But listen, the fall isn't failure. It's the checkpoint, the moment life forces you to stop, so you can finally change direction. Phase 2. The mirror. You sit alone, facing yourself. No distractions, no noise. You ask painful questions. Who am I now? What did I lose? What do I still have? This is where honesty hurts. But it also heals, because clarity is a weapon, and confusion is the cage. You cannot rise until you see exactly where you're standing. Phase 3. The tiny step. This is where most people quit, because they think rising requires huge motivation, huge energy, huge confidence. No. Rising begins with one breath, one step, one small promise to yourself. You stand, shake the dust off, move 1 inch forward, just one. In psychology, this is called the success ladder. Small steps, small wins, bigger action, momentum, transformation. The body moves first. The mind catches up later. Phase 4, the rebuild. This is where your power returns. Slowly, quietly, privately. You start rebuilding your mind like an engine. New habits, new boundaries, new discipline, new goals, new identity. You stop chasing motivation. You install systems. You build structure. You create rhythm. Brick by brick, layer by layer. You turn chaos into order. This is the phase where nobody applauds, nobody notices, but you know what's happening. You're leveling up in silence. Phase 5, the rise. One morning, you wake up, and something feels different. Lighter, stronger, sharper, calmer. Your past no longer hurts the same way. Your scars turn into armor. Your pain becomes fuel. You look back at the person you were, the one life broke, and you whisper, "Thank you for not giving up." Because the version of you standing now is not the same one who fell. You aren't recovering. You're reborn. Listen, life will break you. It breaks everyone. But rising is a choice. Every scar you carry is proof that nothing could stop you. Every fall you survived is proof that you're unstoppable. You have more strength than you know, more fire than you realize, and more potential than anyone ever told you. Your comeback starts today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Stand up. Take the step. Begin the rise. If you're rising again, if you're rebuilding from the ground, if you're choosing strength over fear, then keep moving. Keep climbing. Keep becoming the person your future self will thank you for. Hit subscribe, join Rise Nation, and rise with us.